I'll show you how to fine-tune models in Google AI Studio step by step in 2026. Fine-tuning helps an AI model produce responses that are more accurate and better suited to your specific tasks, making it ideal for customer support, content creation, coding, and business applications. First, open your web browser and sign in to Google AI Studio with your Google account. Once you're on the dashboard, navigate to the Model Customization or Fine-Tuning section if it's available for your account and the model you're using. Next, prepare your training data. Your dataset should contain high-quality examples with clear prompts and the responses you want the model to learn. The better your data, the better your fine-tuned model will perform. Now create a new fine-tuning project and upload your dataset. Review the uploaded data carefully to make sure there are no formatting errors or incorrect examples. Then choose the base Gemini model that supports fine-tuning. Configure your training settings, such as the model name and other available options. Start the fine-tuning process and wait for the training to finish. Depending on the size of your dataset, this may take some time. After the training is complete, test your fine-tuned model with different prompts. Compare the results with the original model to see whether the responses are more accurate and consistent for your specific use case. If necessary, improve your dataset and train the model again for even better performance. Finally, integrate your fine-tuned model into your application using the Google AI Studio API and continue monitoring its performance as your requirements evolve. And that's how you can fine-tune models